Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by holding the Nissan key fob in one hand and flipping the small mechanical key out using the release button. Use that gap to insert a flathead screwdriver into the seam and twist gently to open the fob. Work slowly to avoid snapping plastic tabs. Lift the battery cover and remove the old CR2032 battery with non-metal tweezers or a plastic tool. Keep track of the battery orientation and avoid losing tiny springs or clips. Set parts on a clean, soft surface. Take a fresh CR2032 coin cell and install a new CR2032 battery with the plus side facing up, matching the orientation you noted earlier. Press the battery into its cradle until it seats firmly, then align the fob halves and press them together until the plastic tabs click. Reinsert the mechanical key into its slot and ensure the release spring engages. Stand within about 10 feet of the car and test lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm reliable communication and range. If the fob fails after replacement, try simple reprogramming steps. Press lock and unlock together for about 10 seconds or consult your owner manual. If unsuccessful, contact a dealer. Dispose of the old battery at a battery recycling center or drop-off location and do not throw it in household trash. Avoid touching battery surfaces with bare fingers to prevent corrosion and reduce conductivity. Use gloves or a tissue. If symptoms persist, check fob housing for damage or take the fob to a locksmith or dealer for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.